Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody. Hope you are safe and sound. This is Muhammad Abdul Samad speaking. Welcome back to my English tutorial grammar session. Dear students, get ready with three things: pen, paper and textbook. Are you ready? Okay, get started. Okay, dear students, look at the screen. Use of would rather than. Would rather than. What is the meaning of the word? Okay, look at the picture. I would rather drink tea than coffee. আমি বরং চা খাবো তবু কফি নয়. What is the meaning? বরং তবু. Would rather than. Bangla meaning borong tobu. Now dear students, there are some example for you. You should do it. I would rather die than beg. First one is done for you. The rest is for your homework. Dear students, let us move on the next rule. Use of because of, on account of, owing to, due to. Okay. He cannot do hard job because of his illness. On account of his illness. What does it mean? Jonne, karone. It indicates reason. It indicates reason. I cannot go outside because of rough weather. Because of rough weather. Why I cannot go outside? Okay, because of rough weather. It indicates reason. Now, everybody loves him. Why? Because of his pleasing behavior, good behavior. Right? The rest of the exercise for you. You will do it at your home. Okay. Use of had better. Had better. What is the meaning of the word had better? Borong balo. Borong balo. Okay. Dear students, look at the exercise example. You had better go. You had better go. Okay. Had better, it is ideal past. It does not mean past tense, rather it denotes present and future. Present and future. No infinitive is used after it. No infinitive. Okay? I had better do it. I had better do it, not to do it. There will be no infinitive. Okay? The rest of the exercise are for you. You will do it at your home. No sooner than, scarcely, hardly, when. No sooner than, scarcely, hardly, when. Okay? See an example. No sooner had we reached the station than the train left. What happened here? No sooner had, subject. Okay, B3. Subject, we, B3. Okay, then the subject left, B2. Okay. Another structure, scarcely, hardly, had, subject, B3, extension, when, subject, B2. Okay. Had, subject, B3, extension, when. That means scarcely, hardly, when, then subject B2. Okay. What does it mean? It denotes কিছু হতে না হতে. Suppose আমরা স্কুলে পৌঁছতে না পৌঁছতেই ঘন্টা বাজলো. আমরা বাসায় পৌঁছতে না পৌঁছতেই বৃষ্টি শুরু হলো. কোনো কিছু হতে না হতে বুঝাতে we use this type of structure. Okay. the exercise is for you. The first one is done for you. No sooner had the police come, then the thief ran away. The rest are for your homework. Use of it is, it means proper time. It means proper time. Okay. It is time. It is time. Then B1, present form of the verb. Okay. It is time to start the plane. It is time to start the plane. Another formation. It is time for object to B1 extension. Okay. It is time for me. It is time for me to board the plane. It is time for me to stop my class. Okay, dear students, I think you are clear. Okay, another rules. Look at the rules. Use of it is time or it is item. When we use it, we use this structure when time is over. Time is over, right? Okay. It is time we started the train journey. It is time we started the train journey, right? We notice, look at the structure. It is time, then subject B2. B2 means past form of the verb. Past form of the verb. Okay. Here look at subject, past form of the verb. Another structure. It is high time, subject B2 extension. Same. Look at an example. We started. It is high time. We started for school. We started B2. Here are some activity for you. Okay, it is your homework. You will do it at your home. As if, as though. As if, as though. What is the meaning of the word, phrase, as if, as though? Bangla, it means jeno. Sometimes we say, লোকটা এমন ভাবে কথা বলে যেন পাগল। লোকটা এমন আচরণ করে, এমন অভিনয় করে যেন কবি। আমরা বাংলায় এরকম বলে থাকি। Dear students, I think you are clear. Okay, now see the structure. Subject B1 extension, as if, as though. Subject B2. Okay, before as if, as though there is present indefinite tense or present tense, then there will be past indefinite. Subject plus past indefinite, that means B2. Look at an example. He speaks as though he knew everything. He knew everything. Another structure, subject B2 extension, as if, as though. Subject at B3 extension. Look at an example. See an example. He spoke as though he had known everything. Okay. Now, for your better understanding, I'd like to clarify the rules. Look at as if, as though there is B1, that means present form of the verb. What would be after as if, as though? Subject, subject, then B2, that means past form of the verb. Look, speaks, present form of the verb, then knew, past form of the verb. Past form of the verb. Look, before as if, as though, speaks, present form of the verb, then after as if, as though, there will be past form of the verb. Okay. Now look at B2, that means past form of the verb, What would be after as if as though? Had B3, that means past participle form of the verb. Look at the example. Spoke, past form of the verb. Then what happened here? Okay, look. Had known, past participle form of the verb. Let alone, use of let alone. This is a very important rule. Okay, use of let alone. It indicates undesirable thinking. Okay, কখনো কখনো আমরা বাংলা এরকম বলে থাকি যে আমি বরং মরব তবু ভিক্ষা করব না, আমি বরং মারা যাব তবু এই কাজটি করব না, এরকম কথা আমরা বলে থাকি। ওকে, আমরা কখনো কখনো বলে থাকি, এরকম বলে থাকি, আমরা এরকম বলে থাকি যে look at the example. Before let alone there will be negative sentence, then there will be relevant part of the sentence. Look at the example. He cannot live in a hut, let alone an aristocratic house. Let alone an aristocratic house. আমরা অনেক সময় বাংলা এরকম বলে থাকি, সে লোকটি ভাতই খেতে পারে না আবার পোলাও করবে, লোকটার দুবেলা ভাত জুটে না তো আবার পোলাও করবে। Here is an example, exercise for you. Okay, he cannot eat a mango, let alone orange or apple. The rest of the exercise are for you. It is your exercise. You will do it at your home. Dear students, thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again with another session, completing sentence part 3. Okay students, if you want to get more videos, visit our website and Facebook page. Number today, thank you so much. May Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.